Hey, it's Juliet from WTI. I have been trying to get away from coffee, and maybe you have too, and I have found these to be of help. Previously, I was having issues focusing. If I did drink coffee, I would be jittery and maybe a little bit anxious, and I didn't like that. So I did some research, and I found these, along with a few other things, may help support mental alertness, and that is what I needed. And I really do think it works. Now in the morning, I may have some green tea or not, and I just have these, and I do feel like I'm more focused. I take it on an empty stomach, and I have had no issues whatsoever. They don't bother my stomach, even if I've been fasting for like 18 hours. This and some water, and I'm completely fine. So I have found that it has benefited me and helped me kind of kick the coffee habit. And I think you should give it a try. Hopefully it works for you too. And that is my point of view.